Is it level?
It's level. Hold on. Breathe in.
Hey! Sorry. Hey. Push more. Chima!
I was sent out of my community for giving birth to a head without a sense organ.
They should blame your chi, not you, because you are innocent.
Mama, I did everything to prove to them that I'm innocent. But they insisted that I should leave the community because I gave birth to a taboo. But that's by the way. Why are you carrying this yourself? Don't you have a helper?
I live alone in my own world.
I don't understand. Anyways, let me help you. When I get to your house, I'll contribute my job. Wait. Thank you. Yeah, you're not supposed to be carrying. It's quite heavy. Thank you. Sorry. Hey. Do you stay here alone?
Yes, my daughter.
How do you cope with your errands? Do you send someone or you do it all by yourself?
I have lived here for 1,000 years.
1,000 years? How is that possible? Are you married or did you bear children?
Spirits do not marry.
Spirit? Are you saying you're a spirit? How is that possible? Ah! Jesus! Ah! Jesus.
Mommy. Mom, what is it? What happened?
Mama, I had a terrible dream.
Terrible dream? At this time of the day?
Hey, Mama, you need to have it was so real. Hey.
Tell me about the dream. What happened in the dream?
Mama, it seems I've forgotten almost what happened in the dream, but I almost lost my life, Mama.
Almost lost your life?
I almost lost my life. It was like reality. I ever thought it was real. Thank God it's a dream. Oh God, so my gosh.
Okay. What will happen to you, my daughter?
It's okay.
Welcome, Mbanko, daughter of Achala.
Thank you, wise one. Greetings.
A toad does not run in the daylight in vain, for it is said, wherever a crying child is pointing at must be his or her parents' location.
You said it all, wise one.
Speak to me. What has brought you to the sacred hills of Omambala to seek the wisdom of Ijele? Tell me, what has brought you?
Wise one. It's about my daughter Emeremgene. She had a terrible dream.
She alone can decide her destiny.
What destiny are you talking about, wise one?
Her destiny is clothed with mystery and agony.
Wise one, I don't understand. You speak in words that only immortals can assimilate.
The cloud is too dark.
Mary, are you okay? Mama, I don't know.
You don't know? What is wrong with you? Eh?
Mama. I've been feeling ill since morning. I don't know what's wrong with me.
Emeremgene, are you pregnant?
Mama, pregnant? God forbid. I'm not pregnant, oh.
Mama, what's bringing pregnancy in this matter now? I just volunteered.
Are you sure?
Mama, I am sure. Are you trying to tell me that pregnancy is now an airborne disease? I'm not pregnant, oh. Mama, don't say such thing again. Don't let me go.
If you say you're not pregnant, then go to the chemist and go and buy drugs. Eh?
Mama, take my words for it. I am not pregnant. I'll go to the pharmacy later. I'm feeling dizzy. Let me sit down.
Move on. I'm inside. When you want to go, let me give you money. Yeah?
My baby.
Hey, babe. I'm fine. You didn't tell me you were coming.
And do I need to take permission before coming to see my sweetheart?
No, but it's not bad if you do.
I know. I'm sorry. Please do not crucify me.
Your sin is forgiven. Go and sin no more, baby.
Serious.
So what's up?
What's up?
Why the August visit?
I decided to buy you a surprise lunch.
Lunch? Oh my goodness, it's 1 p.m. I totally forgot.
Just a clear indication that you're working yourself against my advice.
Baby, I know, but it's work. I'm sorry.
And who doesn't want to work? At least you need some rest.
Work comes before rest, okay? Alright, fine, we'll go for lunch. Let me just fix my things up and we can go, okay?
Alright.
How can this dark cloud?
The dark cloud stopped at some point, and the rest became blank. That is a rare privilege for her to rewrite her destiny.
Rewrite her destiny. Please, wise one, can she change it for good?
The ball is in her court. If only she will let that time come without ending it all herself.
Ending it herself? Please explain to my understanding, wise one.
Woman, it is not for you to understand, but for her to remember.
I'm her mother. I need to tell her.
Woman, your daughter already knows.
Already knows?
Do not ask so many questions, for you have little or no part to play in her destiny.
What does that mean? Ending it herself? Will she commit suicide at some point? Should I tell her about this? No. That would be foolish of me. If I do, she may live in fear for the rest of her life. But Ijele said she already knows. It is better I do not tell her. That may end up confirming her fears.
This is my first time here.
I know. And that is why I brought you here.
You know, you're full of surprises.
You are all I live for.
Oh, please, stop with the casual.
No, it's never a flatter. It's just me speaking facts.
All right, what else can I say? Thank you.
You're welcome. Babe.
Yeah?
I want you to stop overworking yourself. You're the boss. why not push down some of the works to your workers?
You know, I learned from my father never to push sensitive matters to workers, else you lose the company without you knowing it.
But at least there should be someone who you trust.
Nah, trust is an enemy to man. So tell me, how is the food here?
Babe, you.
What?
It's okay. Their food is very nice.
Oh, really?
Very, very nice.
Let's have a taste of it then.
Hello? What's happening? Hurry up.
Yes. Are you married? No, I'm not. What is it? Because of the result. What about the result? What about the result, nurse?
It came out positive.
What came out positive?
It means you are pregnant. Just calm down.
I'm what? I'm pregnant. Yes. Oh my goodness, God. Oh my God. Hey! I am finished. My mother will kill me. You can't tell me to calm down. Do you know what this has done to my life?
I understand, but there is always a solution.
There is no solution to this. My life is already ruined. How can I be pregnant? Hey!
You are not the first, and you won't be the last. Just calm down.
My mother will kill me.
Just calm down.
Mama? No. Mama?
Eh?
How are you?
This is how you came back without telling anybody.
Mama, I wanted to surprise you.
I hope you have not come to collect another fee.
Mama, it's far from that now. Come on.
You know you're a tax collector.
Can't somebody just surprise you?
You know you're a tax collector. If you're not fee for exams, it's fee for school fees and that's fees,
Mama,
fees.
it's very far from that. I just wanted to surprise you. Besides, Mama, guess what?
Guess what again?
Mama, just say something positive.
Echezona, tell me if you wish to and stop stressing my old brain.
Okay, let me help you out.
What is it?
Mama, I'm done with my final exams.
Final as in finish with school?
I'm done with my exams, yes.
Are you serious?
Partially graduate.
Hey! Are you serious? Nah, Nemaka.
Mama, I'm partially graduate.
Hey! So I'm not a graduate.
Well, partially because I've not done my...
No, he's a graduate. No, don't. There's something like Pasha. He's full graduate.
Mama, I wanted to surprise you. I knew you would be at the market, so I wanted to go in and stay until you come back.
Then I caught you. Mamo, come, let's go inside.
Mama, did you make something?
I just came back from the market.
Oh.
I'll make something for you now. Hey!
When I was telling you that
Oh my goodness. I am pregnant. Should I tell my mother? No, she will be broken. I need to keep this away from her and handle it on my own. God, why must I conceive now? What am I supposed to do now? Why? Miriam Gini.
Linda! Ben! What are you doing here, Ben?
You can see for yourself.
How did you get here?
Will you marry me?
Yes, baby, yes! Baby! Oh, baby! I'm very I love you too!
My daughter, Mama, you see in this life, nothing is worth dying for.
Mama, you're confusing me. Why are you telling me this?
Life is full of ups and downs, joy and agony, fun and misery. If you are unfortunate to meet with agony and misery, all you need to do is to put your trust in God, believing that someday He will change your situation for the better.
Mama. Yes. You're making me uncomfortable. Each time you sound like this, I mean something is about to go wrong. Or have I done something wrong?
No, my daughter. But you see, in this life is sacred. Nothing should ever make you think of taking your life by yourself. You did not create yourself, so you can't take your life. No matter how bitter that thing is, or shameful, or whatever it is, it doesn't worth your life. Just calm down and believe that it's a wave of life, that someday it will wave off. For no reason. Always believe there's a reason for you to live. Oh?
I feel like something is going through your mind.
I'm pregnant.
Pregnant?
Yes. I just felt that the father of my unborn child should know. That's why I'm telling you about it.
Sure, that's okay. I mean, we've been through a lot together. We have spent good times together. And I feel like we should be together during hard times as well.
So, what are we going to do about it?
Everything will be okay.
You're already?
Yes, as you can see.
This is just 3:30 p.m.
Ladies, guess what? Guess who was here?
What else? If nothing.
You knew.
Because I guessed right. Oh my God!
Yes, girl.
You proposed!
He did.
Jeez!
I thought you knew, to be honest.
Oh, that's because I know my cousin about you. And when the plumber is here!
I know.
No one can take my place.
But you know you're crazy, right?
For you, baby.
You know why I'm leaving early is because we have a lunch date, 3:30. And you know, I don't want to keep my husband to be waiting.
Oh,
Yeah.
husband to be.
Yeah.
My dear.
Oh, I'm going to be a wife, girl. It's high time. What is it?
I'm the next in line.
You're the next in line. Let me get my shit.
This calls for celebration.
It does, and that's why we're going. Are you coming? Are you coming?
No.
You're not coming?
Time out with when you right?
Okay, you're not coming.
Your husband to be ready.
Oh, you're not coming.
You know the truth.
What truth?
We don't need this child. Remember how hard things are for my family. And don't also forget you contributed 80% before I could go to school. And to think that I am done with my final exams. I can't even raise 100,000 naira for my clearance.
So what do you suggest we do?
Guinea, I suggest we abort the baby.
Why would I do that? I can't do it. What if I lose my life in the process?
You're not going to lose your life. A lot of women abort their babies every day and they don't die.
I am not them. I am not going to do it. Why would you even suggest? You know what? I'm out of here, please. I won't do it. Please.
If we don't abort this child, things will become more difficult for us.
You're not even sure, Jim.
I am sure. I am very sure. Listen. I'm here to do my youth service. I haven't secured a job. I don't have money. My parents don't have as well.
Then I continue with my food business. That way we'll be able to wait for you until you get a better job. It's that simple.
No. Guinea, no. That's not the type of life I want for us or my child. Please.
I am just afraid.
Guinea, you don't have to be afraid. Listen, I love you so much, okay? Just do this one favor for me, Biko. Biko. Melomia, Biko. Oh?
You know I love you too and I can do anything for you.
I know.
I'll think about it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, cheers. Mm-hmm. To my engagement. You're too excited about this. Why wouldn't I be? Who won't?
Of course I won't. I won't be this excited.
Why?
Come on, girl. Esther, you're a beautiful girl. You have a good shape. You got the body. You have the money. You have it all, girl. It's not as if that dude has many options to pick from. Huh? He is so lucky to be gifted a hard-working pretty lady like you, whom her father left a multi-million company for. A billionaire for that matter. Come on, girl. That dude should be licking your feet every single day because he wanna bam bam. He wanna chill with the big girls like you. Please.
Well, let's not forget that if it was to be some other people, they will extort me and then dump me. But that dude, like you said, stayed. So he's the true one. And now that makes him different.
You're foolish, Will. Babe, drink up. You should be the one doing all this, not me.
Well, cheers to my engagement still.
Cheers.
No. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You're welcome.
Please, I want to talk to you.
Alright. Hope there's no problem.
No, it's about my pregnancy. Please, I want to get rid of it.
You want to abort the baby?
Yes, I want to. Please, keeping this baby is like a threat to my future. I want to get rid of it. Help me.
I can help you, but are you sure you want to do
I am
this?
very sure. Please. Is there any problem?
There is no problem, but it's 50-50 in case anything goes wrong.
Are you trying to say that something could go wrong?
Well, I'm not certain, but I'm just trying to be on the safe side.
No problem. I accept. Please, I accept. Just help me out.
Okay, let me help just you.
Please, please.
Malicha, how did it go?
Fine.
It went well.
She finally accepted to help me abort the child.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
But she said it's a 50-50.
A 50-50 chance. Okay, that's fine. Nothing is going to happen to you.
Huh?
Nothing will happen to you.
I'm scared.
No. You don't have to be scared. Don't you trust me? Eh? Nothing will happen to you, okay? Did she give you the drugs?
Yes. But I'm just having this ill feeling about... I'm just having this stupid mind. Mosquito days.
Listen.
Yeah.
Nothing will happen to you. Okay? I promise you.
Okay.
You trust me? Nothing will happen to you, okay? Eh? Nothing will happen to you.
No.
What drugs are you taking?
Mama,
Huh?
it's malaria drops.
Malaria, what? Are you sick?
Yes, I've been having constant fever and headaches since morning.
Since morning? Yeah. So how are you feeling now?
I can't tell, Mama. Maybe until after today I can be able to say if the drugs worked or not.
Don't worry to work. Oh? Let me go and drop this in at the backyard. Start cooking. Oh?
I'll join you shortly, Mama.
Don't worry. As you're not feeling fine, just relax. Oh, let me prepare food so that you eat. You know, go? Okay. This is what I want to do.
Please, Waka, don't tell me you're working with lunchtime.
Please, I have a lot on my table. There's this client of mine that needs me to send her contract to a client, and she needs it this afternoon, and it's a lot. She's very stubborn.
The only thing I want to understand is this, that you're coming with me to have a lunch.
No, it's not possible. I mean, if it were, I would have gone on a lunch date with them. Is it that serious? Very serious.
Oh, please. Listen, Esther. All work and no play makes Esther a dog girl. Please just stand up, let's go and have a lunch.
Babes, please now try and understand. I need to complete this thing, please. And I need to send it today.
Hello?
Please now, please.
Esther, I'm not going to take much of your time. I drove down from my office to this place just to have lunch with you. This time, don't say no. Please. I won't take much of your time. I promise.
Okay, let me just complete this. So I'll be right with you.
I'm waiting. Hurry.
Okay. Let me save. I'll save it and come back to it.
Oh my goodness.
Saved. On one condition. My choice of restaurant.
Fine.
Perfect.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Mama!
Okay. Mama, I told you I'm dying. God forbid. I'm dying. God forbid you will not die. No. Mama, what is it? What happened to you? I forget. My tummy. What did you eat? What did you eat? What did you eat? Sorry. What did you eat? Sorry. No, sit up. Sit up, mama. Sit up. Hey! Mama. Sorry. Hey! I want more. I'm kidding. What is it? Hey! Chima! Hey! Let me go and look for help. Hey! Somebody help me! Somebody help me!
I missed you, baby. I missed you so much.
I missed you, my love.
Not even a call.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Please forgive me. I traveled. I told you already. But do not worry yourself. I will make it up to you.
Do you know, I almost lost hope.
And why would you?
At some point, I thought you'd forgotten about me.
And why would you jump into such absurd conclusion when you know how much I love you?
I love you more, baby.
No, I love you more. Wait.
You won't feed me? Stop. Stop. Stop it.
Ben.
Babe.
Esther!
Babe! What's going on here?
What is it?
Nathan!
Huh? What
is after you?
It's my daughter,
What happened? What happened? Dying? How? How?
I don't know.
What happened to her?
I don't know what happened to her. Naibigo, come and go. Come.
Okay. Okay. Where are you?
What is this?
You're bleeding.
My tummy. Help me.
Can you get up? Where's Mama? Huh?
I don't know.
Okay. I'll take you up. Let's go. Sorry. Okay. Come. Wait. Listen. Put your hand. Are you okay? Huh? Okay. Just one step at a time. Let's take your hand. Sorry. Wait. Alright, carefully. Okay? One step. It's painful. Sorry. You're bleeding. Huh? Oh, sorry, let's go. One step at a time. Let's go.
Mama!
We have to go get help. Huh? Let's go get help. Careful. Sorry.
What wrong have I done to deserve this? I don't deserve it at all.
You have done nothing wrong. Things like this happen.
No.
Why me? Why me, Stephanie? Why?
Men are evil. You should know that.
God, I don't know. I'm not thinking straight anymore. I don't even know what to do.
You have to calm down, please. Pull yourself together.
God, but Ben wouldn't do this to me. It's impossible. Why would he cheat on me? I've not done anything wrong to deserve it.
Baby girl, you have to be calm.
God, I'm going crazy. I can't think straight.
You need to calm down. Calm down before you lose it.
Oh God. Oh God. My heart is broken. I'm heartbroken, Stephanie. I'm heartbroken. God. Oh God.
My son. Where's my daughter?
What is happening?
The doctors, she's with the doctor in the ward. They are treating her.
Okay, my son. God bless you.
How did you know we're here?
Chinelo told me on the way. Hey!
She saw us.
I hope nothing will happen to my daughter.
No. She'll be fine by the grace of God. She'll be fine.
Okay, we thank God. Hey.
pull yourself together.
Do you know, if someone had told me that Ben would do this to me, I would never believe it. You know, I really loved him. I gave him everything.
I know. The male gender is heartless. They shouldn't be trusted, and you know that.
Were you aware of this?
No. Why did you ask?
Because of your persuasion that made me obliged to have lunch.
I should be asking why you chose there instead of our usual restaurant.
You know, when Ben took me to that restaurant, I liked their food. So I wanted you to have a taste of it, and that's why I took you there. Who is that?
It's Ben.
Let me have it.
No. You just have to relax, okay? You don't need this now. Listen, you have to let him go. You have to move on. You have a life to live.
It's easier said than done.
Come on. You don't need him anymore. I thank God it happened.
I'm having heartache.
Yes, okay.
You
have to relax, please. Just rest your head. You got to pull yourself together. You're a strong woman. I trust you. I know you can fix this. Okay? You know what? I'm gonna leave you. Go get your car. I'll be right back.
I don't deserve this at all. I don't deserve it.
Doctor! How is my liver?
Calm down, madam. The daughter will be fine, okay? Just calm down. When you want that daughter?
Yes, I brought her. But this is her mother and that's her uncle.
Okay. Come with me, please.
What are you doing here?
Baby, I'm sorry.
You're not sorry.
Please hear me out.
Stay there. You have nothing to tell me.
I have a lot to say.
I am not going to listen to you. Now please, make use of that door.
Baby, please just hear me out. I'm really sorry.
Do you know what you are? You are the devil himself.
I'm in love with you.
Not ever say that word again! Love, do you know what love is? Now get out. The next time I see you here, I will call the police on you.
Just forgive me. I'm really sorry.
I said get out! I said, are you leaving or not? Get out! I said get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Idiot!
Madam.
Yes, doctor.
Did she perform an abortion?
Abortion?
Yes, abortion.
She never told me she conceived. Not to talk of performing an abortion.
Well, from the test conducted on her, she performed an abortion.
What?
Hey, gentlemen. Uncle, did you know about this?
No, don't know anything about that. I'm surprised.
Hello. Doctor, hope my daughter will be fine.
Yes, she will be fine. But
what, doctor?
Her womb is damaged.
I am sorry she may not be able to conceive again.
Hey!
Put yourself together, madam. Please. She'll be fine.
Doctor, how is she faring now?
Well, she's responding to treatment. She will be fine.
That's a huge relief.
Madam, just calm down. She will be fine, okay? Everything will be fine. Just calm down. I know.
I didn't do anything wrong. All I did was just to love him. That was my offense.
Oh my word. Esther, what are you doing?
Stop.
Stop.
Allow me.
Allow you do what?
Allow me. I need to feel okay.
Please stop.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Can you just stop? Do you want to drink yourself to stupor?
That fool was here. He came here. The idiot came here.
What did he say? Sorry.
He was blaming his father, the devil, for everything.
Nonsense. It's okay. You'll be fine. I understand how you feel. Sorry.
Don't tell me you understand how I feel. You don't have an idea how I feel.
Sorry, don't cheer up. I do. Esther, I have been in this world before. It was never easy. Don't worry, you will come out of this. Okay?
I don't think I will ever fall in love again.
Exactly what I said then. You will fall in love again. Trust me.
You
will. Stop. Stop it. You know what? Stand up.
I'll stand up myself. You can't carry me. Leave me alone.
Esther, please help me. Jeez.
I want to rest.
Oh shit.
I have ruined my life. I've ruined everything.
You have to stop saying that to yourself.
But that is the truth and you know it.
Madam Guinea, you have to stop seeing things that way. God has the final say.
You don't understand. I don't expect you to.
Please, stop crying.
I have lost my womb.
We're in this together. I promise to stick by your side forever.
You don't get it, do you? Have you been listening to me? I won't be able to bear you a child.
Says man. But God has the final say. Listen, I promise to be by your side. No woman will come in between us.
You promise?
I promise, Madam Guinea. I promise with my life.